In Palsgraf versus Long Island Railroad, Mrs. Palsgraf was standing on a train platform when a man carrying a package rushed aboard a moving train owned by the Long Island Railroad. Two train employees pushed and pulled the man onto the train, causing the package, which was filled with fireworks, to fall onto the tracks. The rear wheels of the train ran over the package, causing it to explode. The explosion caused a scale on the platform to fall onto and injure Mrs. Palsgraf. Mrs. Palsgraf sued the Long Island Railroad, arguing that had it not been for the railroad employees pushing the man with the package would have never fallen and exploded, and the scale would have never fallen onto her. Palsgraf wins at the trial and appellate levels, and the railroad appeals to New York's highest court, the Court of Appeals of New York. Justice Cardozo, who would later become a U.S. Supreme Court justice, writes for the majority and holds that the railroad is not liable for Palsgraf's injuries because her injuries were not a reasonably foreseeable consequence of the railroad's negligence. This idea that a duty of care is only owed to reasonably foreseeable plaintiffs has since come to be known as the zone of danger test. Here, the package didn't appear to be dangerous, so it wasn't reasonably foreseeable by the railroad employees that their actions would lead to Palsgraf's injuries. Justice Andrews, writing for the dissent, says that a duty to one is a duty to all, meaning that if the injury can be traced to the wrongful act with no intervening events, then this is sufficient to establish liability. Palsgraf would not have been injured but for the railroad employee negligently pushing the passenger, causing him to drop the package. The Palsgraf case is a landmark case in tort law. It helped establish the idea of proximate cause as a limit on the scope of tort liability. Proximate cause means that you can only hold a defendant liable for harm that is a reasonably foreseeable result of the defendant's wrongful act. If you found this video helpful, you can explore all of our content by visiting us at Quimbee.com. If you have a question or comment about this case, please post it in the comments area below, and we'll do our best to get back to you. If you think we did a good job with this video, please like, share, and favorite it. And if you think this video might be helpful to people you know, please share on social media, Facebook, Twitter, and Google+ as well, to get this video out there. If you haven't done so already and you enjoy watching videos on this channel, click on the red subscribe button just below this video so you can get all the latest updates.